Today I am going to explain how to prepare banana stem juice. It is a very simple method. Point number 1, banana can be brought, banana stem, it can be stored in fridge. As and when you require, you can take out 250 gram banana stem will yield 150 to 200 gram juice. And even after preparing this, it can be stored in the fridge. It can be used as and when required. It's having many medicinal value, including vitamin B6. And secondly, it will helpful for removal of blockages in arteries and capillaries. And also it helps for removal of kidney stone and gallbladder stone. And also it will normalize the cholesterol level in the body. It will help for thinning the blood. And also it will increase the hemoglobin level. So such a medicinal value it's having. Simple thing, you take juicer or mixer. Juicer is the best. You just take that stem and make the sizes whatever it requires to insert in the juicer, and like a cane juice it will come out. After that you can add little buttermilk or lemon and you can drink. Kidney patients should not exceed more than 50 to 60 ml if their urine flow is not good. Otherwise they can drink 100 to 150 ml. Normal persons can drink 200 ml.